Hi everyone, this is Janice Chafkin with Signature Premier Properties. I'm just waiting for one of my buyers to come take a look at a house right now, and as I wait, I figured I'd shoot a quick little video on things that I help my buyers look for when they are purchasing a home. When I first pull up to the house, I always take a look at the roof, and I look for curling along the outside of the roof, and that's usually an indicator that the roof might need to be replaced in the near future. Then when we get inside, especially on a day like today when there's snow and it's melting and it's really sunny out right now, we take a look and see if we see any active leaks coming in from the ceiling. Then when we get down to the basement, I have all of my clients take their mask, pull it away from their face, take a deep breath in, and smell and see if we smell anything that smells like mold. We also take a look and see if it's unfinished, if there are any active current leaks, or if there are old leaks that might have dried up. Often dried up leaks will have like a white powdery substance, and you'll see like an irregular shape dried up puddle. And also we take a look and see if there are any foundation cracks that are over 1/8 of an inch wide. If the basement's finished, it's a little bit harder to see, but at the same time, you could take a look and see if there's a lot of items and stuff along the walls. If there is, we check and look and see if any of them are wet or dried up wet. Or if we see that everything's kind of pushed into the middle of the room, maybe a client was trying to hide the fact that there was a leak in the house. So these are just some quick little tips of things I look for, but definitely hire an inspector to have a further look. But these are just some things that we kind of can address prior to the inspector taking a look at the house. Thanks and have a great day.